In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Friendmoji. This graphic right here is called a Friendmoji, and it's when you take two Bitmojis and you put them together, and Bitmoji, this program, will create different poses for your Friendmoji. You could do this with colleagues. I've used this when I've co-presented at conferences with different people, and we'll share our Bitmojis and then we'll create these Friendmojis for the presentation. It just adds a little fun, and we could all use a little fun these days. So I wanted to share this sort of a hack with you. So the first thing, you and your friend or colleague need a Bitmoji. You start with your phone, that's how you create a Bitmoji, and you download the Bitmoji app. It's pretty easy now. You just take a picture of yourself, and then you can customize the picture, add clothes, whatnot. Once you and your friend have your Bitmojis all set, then you want to add the Bitmoji Chrome extension. I already have it right here, so that's what it looks like. To add the Bitmoji Chrome extension, I would just Google search Bitmoji Chrome extension and then click on the first thing that pops up. Here's the Chrome web store. Now it shows, mine says remove from Chrome because I already have it. So yours, if you don't have this, would be add to Chrome. Then it will prompt you to put in your username and password for your Bitmoji. So you gotta know that, or you can't do anything. So you gotta know your username and password to your Bitmoji. That's usually what stops everyone, is they forget it. And really, it's so easy to just make a new one. Then you pin the extension. So you go down here, and here's Bitmoji, and then just pin it. So when I pin an extension, see, there's it unpinned, so it goes bye-bye. But when I pin it, then it shows up here, and that's what it looks like. Now, let me show you this cool hack. In the YouTube video notes, there is a link to a spreadsheet, and you have to have the spreadsheet to do the hack. Click on that extension and it's going to take you to this. And this is the template that you want to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to click right here up in the upper right hand corner. It says use template. So you're going to click on that, and then it's going to bring you to your Friendmojis hack Google Sheet. There's a lot of formulas and built-in things into this spreadsheet. So please do not delete any columns. Don't delete any rows. If you do that, you're gonna mess it up and it won't work. So I learned the hard way, so just don't delete anything. In the spreadsheet, right here are the directions. So they're built in right here, but I wanted to walk you through how this works. Oop, I'll delete my name. To generate a Friendmoji, you need to have at least two Bitmojis. Here is one, here's Paige Turner, and now I'm gonna add my Bitmoji. So I'm going to type in Sara Hoffman, and I'm going to go, and then I need my link. So right here in the directions, in case you forget, and there's a picture showing you how, is you want to copy the image address. So to do that, you're going to go up to this Bitmoji extension. I type in pose, and that gives me all my standing Bitmojis. So I'm going to grab this one, but it doesn't matter. You can grab any Bitmoji and this will work. I'm going to copy the image address. That's important. Copy image address. And then you're going to go back to the spreadsheet in column B next to your name. You're just going to right click and then paste. If you notice, it brings in that image that I chose. So that's why I wanted just one of me standing. Don't mess with this, don't mess with this. It just automatically creates that sample image. Right here, you can add your Twitter handle. That's totally optional, but it is nice to have other people's Twitter handles so that you can follow them on Twitter. So that's all you need, your name and your Bitmoji image link. Then the magic happens on this right here. Don't mess with sheet 4, just ignore it. And then go to the tab that says mix and match. Now here it has friend 1 and friend 2. You can only have 2 friends in your Friendmoji. They don't have like group emojis yet. I'm sure it's coming. But you could have multiple people added to your spreadsheet. If you're team teaching, you have a bunch of teachers that you team teach with, you could just have this so that if you wanted to add an image of you and your colleague, you can generate the image. So to do that, you're going to go to the mix and match page, and then you're going to choose 2 people. Like I said, this page, you should not be deleting anything. You shouldn't be typing anything in yourself. This is the generator part. Click on the little shark tooth, and I'm going to click page turner, and then I'm going to click Sara Hoffman. And then it just magically creates this link. You're going to hover over this and then click on this right here. This will take you to the web page that has over 500 Friendmojis, and you can search the Friendmojis. So if I click up here and I type in school, it will give me all of the Friendmojis that have something to do with books or learning or anything like that. And then to go back to the 500 page, just delete the word school and it will go back. And then you have all of these Friendmojis. It is so fun. And then if you want to use any of them, you just right click, copy image, then go to, let's say, a presentation that you're working on. I'll delete this image, and then I will paste the one that I copied. And then right there you have your Friendmoji. I do need to say that this is just for staff. This is not something that you want to put out to your class, because some of the Bitmojis are inappropriate. And I think the Bitmoji extension is blocked for students. This is for staff. So there is your Friendmoji hack. Have fun creating different Friendmojis.